Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a unboxing of Rage, Longinus, DS, and Destroy Dash, and 3A. 3 attacks, so yeah. There's right here. Okay, sorry, there's that. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I don't have you guys on my other tripod, so yeah. I'm using my smaller one. There's the Longinus thing, and then Rage. The chassis is 3A, and then Destroy Dash. Let's see how this goes. And I literally just got home from work. For me, it is 8:52 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So yeah. And I'm going to use my box cutter for this one. Not my normal knives I usually use. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. And a normal chassis. Okay. Whole bunch of stickers though. That's gonna be fun. This is, oh man. I've been waiting for this. Another Destroy. This is gonna be intense battle. Oh, there it is. Let's do this. And yes, I am going to be weighing everything. I'll grab my scale. Actually, I'm going to just put that right there. Here's my scale. And yeah. Oh god. Whoa, that was close. I poked myself. But yeah. There's the chassis. I mean, not the chassis. Man, that's heavy. Let me weigh these when I'm bringing them out. Okay, there we go. The chip. 3 grams. This is 14 grams. And the chassis should be a lot heavier. And yeah. There's a chassis. Man, that chassis looks cool. I have another one of these coming too. So that's going to be a nice little thing to my collection. And the chassis weighs 43 grams. And of course, one of my favorite drivers is another Destroy Dash. And that weighs not 86 grams. So let's put the actual stuff together, and yeah, I'll be putting the stickers on. Oh geez, there we go. Stay tuned for more. Okay, in total, 17 grams with the actual chassis. I mean that. Let's put the chassis. Okay, Destroy. And full, almost 70 grams. Wow. 2 more. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so in total 68 grams. Let me get the put the stickers on. And oh god. Sorry guys, that didn't work. Yeah. Oh. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. It took me a while to put the stickers on, but yeah. A gorgeous bag overall. I like the weight to it. And the bulk. It's gonna be brutal for attack. And of course I love attack. Now I might be doing a battle video soon with this guy. A lot sooner. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing it against my favorite combo. So yeah. stay tuned for a battle video between these two. And also, a few more combos of mine. I'm probably going to be doing a separate one of these, but yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.